everyone. Today I'm going to be trying the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarified Mud Mask, and it's for blemish prone skin. It has tamarind extract and tea tree oil in it. I wanted to try it because I have acne, so I shouldn't be touching my face, but I was just trying to show that it's mainly around my chin. As you can see, I've got some spots that are showing up. So the directions are pretty simple. It just says apply a thin layer of mud with fingertips to clean skin, avoiding eye areas. Leave on for 10 minutes. So yeah, I've already washed my face. So I kind of wanted to just do like a live demo video of this. First impressions. Just trying to open that up so you can see what it looks like. It's just a whitish color. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening this on. The packet looked pretty big, but the product is way down in there, so I don't know if I'm gonna get 2 uses out of it. I'm just using my camera lens to see what I'm doing, so hopefully I'm getting it all applied correctly. I think I have my face fully covered. I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. It dries pretty fast, it feels like. So I will be back. So I don't want to touch my face too much, but I was feeling it and it doesn't feel dried out, which is nice because a lot of clay masks can really dry them out. I use clay masks for shrinking my pores, for like drying out dirt out of my pores, and then also for acne. So this one's more gentler on my skin for sure. I was looking in the mirror at my pores. I get them right here, mainly on my cheeks. And my pores look like more closed, which is good. And then hopefully it'll dry out some of that. I don't want to touch it, have it dry out some of that acne. So, but yeah, that gave me, I still have another use in there, so I like it, and it's vegan, cruelty free, bee certified, all that good stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, anything, let me know if I left anything out. That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.